Cleaning of processing equipment is an important step in the manufacturing process, especially when they come in contact with food products. Overall, food manufacturers are obliged in many ways to maintain high hygienic standards for both their equipment and staff. Cleaning helps the food manufacturing company ensure that good products are kept well and safe for consumption. This minimizes the risk of contamination, which can result in very bad publicity. Companies are also morally obliged to ensure that clean conditions and well-trained staff are put in place to ensure that production processes are properly handled. Lastly, the law protects the health and quality of manufactured food products. Failure to meet legal guidelines can result in severe penalties, which is why it is important to meet the stated requirements accordingly. Coconut food soil formation. In order to design an efficient cleaning in place, CIP knowledge of how mechanical, thermal and chemical processes work on different types of soiling is required. It will also depend on knowing how acids and detergents affect different types of soiling and how their interaction can be optimized. In the parallel passages of plate or tubular heat exchangers, different amounts of deposits are formed on different surfaces. This mainly consists of protein, fat, oil and minerals at higher temperatures. Overall, coconut soil deposit formation is affected by the nature of the product, quality of the raw materials used to form primary and intermediate products, actual product temperature, temperature difference, flow rate of the product, laminar or turbulent characteristics of the heat exchange surface, corroded or dirty, and foam in the product. Soils can initially be divided into two basic types, those that are water-soluble and insoluble in water. Water-soluble soils such as sugars and some minerals are easily removed and are rarely associated with cleaning problems. The water-insoluble soils are harder to remove. Water-insoluble soils can be divided into organic soils and inorganic soils. Organic soils include fats, oils, grease, protein, starch and other carbohydrates. If these components were heated during processing, the heat may have induced reactions in the soil matrix. This makes them harder to remove. For example, proteins may denature and induce further cross-linking reactions with other protein molecules. They may also react with carbohydrates and cause Maillard reactions, caramelization, to take place. Organic soil is most often dissolved by alkaline detergents. Coconut water is a natural fat-free drink. Low in sugars and calories, it is rich in essential electrolytes and vitamins. Dubbed the fluid of life, coconut is safe for everyone to drink fresh from the nut. As the Hawaiians say, coconut water is dew from the heavens. Once the coconut is opened, coconut water begins to lose its nutrients and flavors. This is partly due to naturally occurring enzymes found in coconut water. When peroxidase POD and polyphenol oxidase PPO come into contact with oxygen, reactions cause nutritional and flavor losses. This section covers the reactions that happen when coconut water is extracted and loses protection of the coconut sterile environment.